Ciao Ritika.
Oh, hi, Ciao. You learning?
Oh yes, but today I need a favor from you.
What you want? Tell me.
So one of my good friend
Okay.
visiting to Portugal, and he is also facing same issues what I was facing earlier. That is, he also don't know how to introduce in Portuguese. So why don't you help here?
I can definitely help you. So, let's start with introducing ourselves in Portuguese. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you guys ready?
So Ritika, how do I greet someone in Portuguese?
Oi.
Oi. Okay. And how do I say what is my name?
O mio nome é Ritika.
How do I say what is my age?
Tenho, then your age, and then anos. Eu tenho dash anos.
Okay. And how do I convey my birth date?
Minha data de nascimento é and your birth date.
Okay. And if my friend want to say from which country he belongs to,
Sou da India.
where do he live in India?
Moro in Mumbai.
So my friend also has prior work experience, and now he is going for higher education.
Okay.
So how do he say like what profession he was in?
Okay. Eu sou médico.
Okay, so he'll be making new friends over there, and while introducing to new friends, of course he will be saying what are his hobbies.
Yes.
So he likes reading or dancing maybe. How do I say what I like?
Ou dois meus hobbies são ler, etc.
Okay. And what color, like I like red color. How do I say in Portuguese?
Minha cor favorita é vermelho.
Oh wow. So that was so easy and quick. And I hope my friend will be able to introduce himself in Portuguese, and so do all the viewers viewing this video.
Yes, definitely. So, thanks for watching our today's video. Do subscribe our YouTube channel and अरे रुको लाइक भी कर दो हमारे वीडियो को और शेयर भी कर दो अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ एंड वी विल सी यू इन आवर next video with something new. Bye.